Hi everyone, welcome to Classes with me and the start of our 4-part mini series on this for Scatterplot Advanced series. If you are jumping in here, this is part 1 where we will kick things off by exploring correlation using Scatterplot. In the next part, we will build on this by grouping data, ranking performers, and customizing our visuals. Make sure to watch them in order for full flow. If you are new, subscribe now. We are making data analysis approachable and fun. Let's get into it. Before we dive deep, let's set the stage. You will need Python with pandas, matplotlib and Seaborn. Install them via pip if you haven't. For this series, we are using sample dataset of 10 employees where name, departments, sales in dollars and productivity scores out of 100 will be there. I will show the code to create it here and it's in the description / Google Drive link for easy copy and paste. So this is the dataset. You can see it is like import pandas as PD. We have given the alias, I mean to say PLT and SNS, the OG alias, I mean to say this. So you can see data is there. As I've told, columns are like name, sales, I mean department, sales, productivity. That's the thing. DS is for display. No worries for that. If you don't write DS, then also no worries. It will not come in this way. It will come in a normal basic way. And what we have seen in this gives us a quick data frame to work with. Keep this handy. We will reference it throughout the series. So first thing first, as I have written here, correlation with scatter plot. And in this part, we will be focusing on spotting correlation between sales and productivity using Seaborn's SNS.scatterplot. It's a fantastic library function for visualizing relation without any extra coding kind of hustle. So let's write the code here. First thing first, we will write figure where we will give a fixed size of 8 and 6. That's the, I would say, standard one. 8 is width, 6 is the height and both are in inches. Now next part is scatter plot, and scatter plot, how we will take it, we will use Seaborn, and Seaborn is what given as SNS. So SNS dot scatter plot, that's it, nothing else, that's it. And here we will give something like X, we will give Y, we will give data, we will give hue, we will give palette, and we will give S. So all these things we will give it here and we will learn it point by point. So X, I will give productivity, Y, I will give salary, not sales, sorry, not salary, sales. Hue, we will give department because we will taking part of the department in this, as told in this video, I mean to say. Palette, we will use something new today, that is we will use this. That's a new thing. I have done some research in internet and found out that let's find out it was a kind of good thing, means good looking kind of thing, that's why. And S equal to 100, that's what we have given for scatter plot. And we will use PLT title, X label, Y label, and the last PLT dot show as well. Then I will give you the explanation of each and everything. Just wait for next 30 seconds. Let me write the title, X label, Y label, and show. PLT dot title. So what is title? Title is all about what it is shown in the graph top area. So it is like just like the title of the book, it is like that. Productivity, okay, oh sorry, sales versus productivity. And let's write by department because we have given hue as department, that's why. department, and let's give font size as 14. ठीक है, then plt dot x label, let's write x label. What should we give x label? We should write a name of x label is nothing but the name written on the x axis, that's it. So we will write productivity, as we have given productivity here, that's why I'm saying productivity score or productivity points, it is like that. And font size we will give 12. Whenever you are giving something kind of string kind of thing, matlab this thing, these are all string because here commas are there, like that's why when you give any string always remember to give the font size. ठीक है, plt dot y label, in y label what we have sales, so we will write sales scores, ठीक है. We will give font size as 12, ठीक है, let's give 12 and plt dot show, ठीक है. That's the last thing, title, x label, y label and show. When we will run this, we will see points for each employee, I mean with productivity on the x axis and sales on the y axis. The hue group, this is the department, the hue groups by department using the Virdis color palette. This is a new thing which I found on the internet, like kind of creative color, so I thought of using it in this video. ठीक है, color means what is the use of it? It will show sales flows in one color, marketing in another color. ठीक है, and let's run this and show something called trend, right? There will be an upward trend in this, I will show you here. Okay, so we have some issue here because see we have not written data, that's why. So data, let's write, we have taken df, that's why it is showing an error. Now it won't show an error, see, data was not passed. Okay, now what's the issue? Let's see, there might be some issue. Okay, spelling mistake is there, I don't know what is happening today. Right now it's good to go and good to see. Let's reduce it a little bit. Now in this you notice there is an upward trend, this upward trend, ठीक है, that suggests higher productivity links to better sales, like EV, this one I have written here EV. You see 17,000 for 95, which is the highest productivity. If you see here, I have given head I should give 10, and when I run this, see, for EV anything, we have sales of 17,000 with highest productivity. ठीक है, Seaborn handles all the grouping and color for us, so that is what is the pure use of library. ठीक है, and you can see the graph, it is beautiful, and you can see the relation, the sales scores, the productivity scores, the higher the productivity, higher the sales, that's it. See this, that's the thing. ठीक है, productivity is high, score and all these things are there in this. So that's set the foundation with correlation. In the next video, or I would say the part 2, we will take this data and group it by department to uncover some averages, like building right on what we just saw. This one I mean to say. Okay? Don't miss it. It will make ranking in part 3 even more clearer. Okay? If this helped, like and subscribe, and please drop a comment on what you spotted in scatterplot. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy coding.